Hey guys, I'm Mallory, and today I'm going to be showing you a slime package that one of our subscribers sent to us. The slime package is from slime_cafe2738. You guys should go check out her Instagram. Make sure you guys subscribe and smash that like button because next week we're coming back with another slime restock. This restock has a bunch of super drizzly cloud slimes, thick glossy slimes, and ultra clear slimes. So let's get on with the video. Alright, so this is the first slime. It's called Donuts at Tiffany's, and it's this really pretty blue color. She sealed this slime really well, so nothing leaked. So here's the slime. It's really glossy and clicky, and I love the color. The slime is also really stretchy. This slime is really glossy, stretchy, and clicky. The next slime is called I'm Bananas for You, and it's yellow just like a banana. This slime is also glossy, but it has a different texture. This one is thicker, and I really like thick glossy slimes. There's also red glitters inside of the slime. This slime is called Taki Powder, and this slime is huge. I think that this is 6 ounces. So this is Taki Powder, and the first thing I have to say is this color is so bright. Like, it looks amazing. And also, I said that the last slime was thick. This one's even thicker. Oh my gosh, the texture in this one is amazing. I'm so glad she sent me like a big slime for this one because this is so clicky and glossy. Wow. This one has such a cool texture. Also, do you see that gloss? Like, look at that gloss. Look at how glossy. Do you see the gloss? You see the gloss. You see the gloss. I'm gonna make the loudest bubble pop. Are you ready? This next slime is called Blue Dreams. So here is Blue Dreams, and wow, like this slime has such a unique texture. These look like little really small beads in here. This texture is just so unique, and I've never felt a slime like this before. It feels like a sand slime, and it's really satisfying. I wonder if it could do bubble pops. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's in here, but it's so cool. Next thing you know, all the Slimers are going to be putting this in their slime. I think that Slime Cafe is going to start a new slime trend. The next slime is called Concord Grape Juice. Whoa! This feels like a butter slime. Oh my gosh, it's like sizzly. Whoa. This feels like a really nice butter slime. This slime is so soft and creamy. Oh my gosh. Ah, that slime swirl! It holds its shape so well. I don't know which slime is my favorite. They're all so cool. Thank you, Slime Cafe, for sending us these awesome slimes, and we still have more to go. Next slime is called Barbie's Lip Gloss. This slime has such a pretty color, and this one is also really thick. My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is poppin'. Ooh, there's glitter in here too. This one's also really, really glossy. You could see that gloss. You could see the gloss, like, oh my gosh, it's so stretchy too. This slime is called Neon Highlighter, and I can already see why. It's a clear slime with so much glitter, and it's bright green. This clear slime is really thick and stretchy. I love the color. The camera isn't really picking it up as nice as it is. This color honestly looks like it could glow in the dark. Thank you so much to Slime Cafe for sending us these awesome slimes in our trade. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and go follow Slime Cafe on Instagram. Bye guys!